Well, with time, you guys are gonna get used to it.
I see this. How would they employ 2 baboons as chefs?
What is that thing? What is that thing? Hey! How dare you? Why did you do something like that? You slapped my husband.
Hey, Jesus! Chai! Yeah, this photo.
He looks cool.
God have mercy upon us.
He spread perfume. How are you? You married early.
With a smoky book.
Young man with a big dream. Why sweet will look good on you?
This man!
With your Chicago traveling bag. More grace. Honey, who are they? They are our new chefs.
My son,
sir,
why are you here?
Baba, you get one of my guy. This guy they do well. Me I dey envy him. I want me to do something for me while I go use cola.
Okay. My son, now here with the runner. Take this mirror. Once you reach house, call in them 3 times. You go appear for this mirror. Then use this thing. Tire.
My Baba no need to reach house. So I call him now. Ezibo. Ezibo. No. Ezibo. Baba, nobody appear here.
Nothing they show.
Nothing they show. Only my face I they see here.
I am now.
Baba, Baba, no bless. I forget my mirror.
Oh.
What is this?
My son,
Sir?
you don't catch me.
No issue.
My son, they can't be good.
To buy something.
You know I don't have money.
Which I don't have money.
Go.
Hello. Actually, I'm a graduate from NYC.
Wow.
They heard me or you they claim say you know they heard me. Now man of God they talk. Radical man of God. Don't use that man of God. Can you hear me? Okay, very good. Please, Mrs. Aluko, we are taking the items that were brought during Pastor Welfare Thanksgiving. And head usher just inform us saying that you and your husband now bring this agege bread. Please, Iyadiola, now bring this agege bread for Pastor Welfare upkeep. Okay, now bring this agege bread, and you did not even add butter. You bring bread and you not bring milk or Milo so that we go fit the break our fast. You not even add even a ordinary coin so that me and my assistant man of God will fit the chop. We go hear from you and your husband. You and your husband wanna bring prayer points for us. Someone pray for una project for village. We dey pray that one. We see the pray say you say me we pray make God butter your life, but you bring bread and you not add butter. Shame we dey pray say make God not put butter for your life. How you go feel? Okay, no problem. You know what we go do? Your prayer points you go keep them for corner. Since you say we go hear from you, anytime we hear from you, you too you go hear from God. No. Once we hear from you and your husband, you too you go hear from God. That's how we go dey run this ministry. I beg back that Mrs. Alamu number. Now she bring her 3 ogede. She bring 3 plantain when no ripe. Hello? No.
Hello?
My son,
Sir?
here you see the girls.
You don't forget my face. I come here 20 years ago, made the gods give me a child. See what thing they give me.
You mean say this in that state 8 years.
I they tell you.
And now the girls will give you.
I think they probably be saying no they grow.
I said the girls will take you.
Me, wait till I come like this, man. I made the gods refund me or made they carry this thing.
You be mumu.
Hey! No be me born you. See person wey born you. Beg.
Come on now.
Give my money, man. They go sharp.
Guy, my mama don't die. Sorry, Aladdin. You know where to pay me back. Now, catch what I inherit. Thank you. When I know be chef, that woman no fit make it. Oh, Aladdin, sorry. Don't beg me, I'm in pain. Wait till they sign this ketchup. Wait till they... Hey! Lala, please. Kuma!
I did go free. Come on,
Who you be?
I be Jenny.
You be Jenny. You be like be Stephanie. Wait till they find that ketchup.
I want grant any of your 3 wishes. You grant any of my 3 wishes. Anything. See your ex.
But Jenny, I wish for a ride.
Bad guy.
You know what? What you be this? You be Chris? Now right be this. The man dey fly. The man dey fly. Richard. I love you, idiot. Come here, Joe. How about I give you a ride? Let's talk.
Right.
Yeah.
Not like I'm a gold digger.
Oh, you're not a gold digger.
Let's go.
When a gold digger come here, Joe. Now, Papa buy me car. Up in my mouth.
Maths.
Yeah.
Are you crazy?
Oh, striking. Oh, are you crazy? Up in Joe. Are you flying or not? I like when you joke me.
You
You better be touching me before I drop you. Fly high like a diamond. Fly high like I be diamond.